Let's learn sentences on vowel sound pair. Salmon roe is the eggs of salmon. Salmon roe is the eggs of salmon. Mo is a Japanese character. Mo is a Japanese character. A person can be a friend or foe. A person can be a friend or foe. A jo means a cup of coffee. A jo means a cup of coffee. John is in condition of woe. John is in condition of woe. A hoe is used to dig. A hoe is used to dig. A doe means a female deer. A doe means a female deer. Doe is looking for her fawn. Doe is looking for her fawn. Toe is injured. Toe is injured. Do not walk with injured toe. Do not walk with injured toe. Hope you liked the video. Share to your friends and family. Subscribe now. Press bell icon for notification for such educational videos. Thanks for watching.